Welcome back to our channel, where we explore unique and untapped side hustle opportunities that can help you earn big money. In today's video, we'll uncover 10 lucrative side hustle ideas that no one is talking about in 2023. Get ready to discover potential income streams that have the potential to earn you up to $30,000 per month. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Side Hustle Idea 1, Virtual Event Planning. With the rise of virtual events, the demand for virtual event planners is skyrocketing. From corporate conferences to weddings, people are looking for experts who can create engaging and memorable virtual experiences. By offering your services as a virtual event planner, you can tap into this growing market and potentially earn up to $30,000 per month. Side Hustle Idea 2, Niche Subscription Box Service. Subscription boxes have been gaining popularity, but how about narrowing it down to a niche market? By curating and delivering subscription boxes focused on a specific niche or interest, you can attract passionate subscribers and generate substantial monthly revenue. With careful planning and marketing, this side hustle has the potential to bring in $30,000 per month. Side Hustle Idea 3, Personal Branding Consultant. In the era of social media influence, personal branding has become crucial. As a personal branding consultant, you can help individuals and businesses establish a strong online presence, build their brand, and attract a loyal following. By offering tailored strategies and guidance, you can charge premium rates and earn a substantial income, potentially reaching $30,000 per month. Side Hustle Idea 4, Digital Product Developer. Are you skilled in creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or software? There's a massive market waiting for innovative digital solutions. By developing and selling your own digital products, you can earn passive income and scale your earnings to reach the $30,000 per month mark. Side Hustle Idea 5, Rental Arbitrage. Rental arbitrage involves renting properties on platforms like Airbnb and then subletting them for a higher price. With strategic property selection and efficient management, you can generate significant monthly profits. By building a portfolio of profitable rental properties, you can reach the impressive $30,000 per month income level. Side Hustle Idea 6, Professional Freelancing. If you have specialized skills, freelancing can be an excellent way to earn a substantial income. Whether you're a graphic designer, copywriter, web developer, or social media manager, offering your services on freelancing platforms can help you land high-paying clients. By consistently delivering exceptional work, you can build a reputation and reach your $30,000 per month goal. Side Hustle Idea 7, Online Trading. Online trading, such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, or Forex, can be a profitable side hustle. However, it requires education, practice, and careful risk management. With dedication and the right strategies, you can potentially make significant gains and achieve the $30,000 per month milestone. Side Hustle Idea 8, High-Ticket Affiliate Marketing. Instead of promoting low-priced products, focus on high-ticket affiliate marketing. By promoting high-value products or services that offer substantial commissions, you can earn significant amounts for each sale. By strategically targeting the right audience and leveraging persuasive marketing techniques, you can work your way up to earning $30,000 per month. Side Hustle Idea 9, App or Software Reselling. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need customized apps or software but lack the technical expertise to develop them. That's where you come in. By partnering with app or software developers and reselling their products, you can earn substantial profits. Identify in-demand apps or software solutions and market them to businesses or individuals who need them. With the right marketing strategies and a solid network, you can easily generate $30,000 per month or more. Side Hustle Idea 10, Virtual Interior Design. As more people embrace remote work and spend time at home, the demand for virtual interior design services is on the rise. Offer your expertise in creating stunning interior designs and provide virtual consultations to clients. By leveraging technology and your eye for design, you can transform spaces without being physically present. With high-end clients and recurring projects, you can achieve a monthly income of $30,000 or even more. And there you have it, 10 big money side hustle ideas that no one is talking about in 2023. Remember, success in side hustles requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. Find the idea that resonates with your skills and interests, and commit to making it a success. With determination and strategic planning, you can turn these side hustles into lucrative income streams, potentially earning $30,000 per month or beyond. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more side hustle ideas and money-making tips. Until next time, happy hustling.